Gonna open the hood latch. Gonna open our hood. And facing the engine, it's gonna be right on your left-hand side. And actually the right side of the engine. And here's your filter right here. I wish they all was this easy. And just push down on it. Just want to pull it out. Well, here's our old filter, and it was definitely time for it to be changed. That's the inside, and of course this is the outside of it. It's our new filter. It actually feels much lighter, probably because it's not dirty. And you want to be mindful, the arrow is going to be pointing towards the cab. So when we install it, that is very important. Part number and the price range. We'll go ahead and install our new one. And I must say, it would not hurt to actually just wipe in the inside here. That'd be less work that the filter has to do. And there's going to be a sign here to make sure you do not put a water hose down here. Do not wash this out. Again, the arrow is supposed to be facing towards the cab of the vehicle. We just want to put it back. Perfect fit. Make sure it's seated down in there good. And then we just slide the top area forward. Fits like a glove. Perfect. That's what you want. That's all it takes to change your cabin air filter on your 2010 Sprinter. And I hope this video was helpful. Do not forget to subscribe. Take care, and God bless.